Can I get a hell yes? If you suffer from procrastination, the reason that you do is that you don't have a training process to help your brain stay focused. In today's session, I'm going to take you through exactly how you can do that. Welcome to how to use the Pomodoro technique to stop procrastination. Step number one, get your task and your timer. The important thing is that you focus on one task at a time. Do not multitask. Step number two, timer set for 25 minutes. Focus on that one task until complete. And if you don't complete it, then you just take a break. Step number three, work until 25 minutes is up. Step number four, take 5 minutes off and repeat. This 5 minutes off is not go and check your phone, not go and watch TV, not go and check your emails. This is stand up, take a breath, stretch your body, and then get back into it. Step number five, after 4 cycles, 15 to 30 minute break. Again, do not go and check your phone, do not go and check online. Go and stretch your body, stay focused, maybe have a glass of water, maybe some food, and then get back to it. One of the most important things about the Pomodoro technique is it trains your focus. After a while of doing this, you'll become more focused. You'll become more concise. Your ability to stay focused on one thing will get better. Now, one of the problems with the Pomodoro technique is the 25-minute break. So if you get good at this, what I would do is actually extend the sessions. So as you start to train your focus, as you break that 25-minute, and if you're really in a good zone, then just keep on going, and thus you can get into what we call the flow state. After many years of practicing this, I can go for long periods of time where I have to do work without having to take a break. In today's world with distractions, you need to set your environment up in the most efficient way so that you're not distracted left, right, and center. Appreciate you watching the video. Subscribe to the channel for daily videos to help you. I'll see you soon.